Hello everyone, so today I'm going to teach you some fun facts and information about apples. Apples are high in water, low in calorie density, and low in overall calories, all properties that aid weight loss. Apples are mainly made up of carbs and water. They also contain fiber, which moderates blood sugar levels and promotes good health. Apples are not particularly rich in vitamins and minerals. However, they contain a decent amount of both vitamin C and potassium. Apples have several properties that increase feelings of fullness, which may aid weight loss by reducing overall calorie intake. Store apples at room temperature for 1 to 2 weeks or in a refrigerator for 1 to 2 months. Frozen apples can last up to 8 months. Avoid washing apples until ready to use, but make sure to wash them well under running water to remove any pesticides and wax. To keep apple slices from browning, lightly coat them in lemon juice to prevent oxidation. Some great ways to eat apples are chop apples and toss them into oatmeal with cinnamon or on top of whole grain pancakes with yogurt. Toss some apples into your salad for lunch or incorporate apples into side dishes. Apples are healthy, tasty, and among the most popular fruits in the world. Although they're not particularly rich in vitamins and minerals, they are a good source of fiber and antioxidants. Apples may have several benefits including improved heart health and a lower risk of cancer and diabetes. They may also aid weight loss. If you want to eat healthy, apples are an excellent choice. Remember, 1 apple a day keeps the doctor away. I hope you enjoyed learning about apples. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. Until next time, bye-bye now.